Whatever guys is going on, today's the day. It's finally here. Dyno day is finally here. I'm heading with my dad. Everybody that said they would have come with me fucking flaked, the usual. So yeah, it's just me and my dad today. Hopefully everything goes good. I'm hoping for a great smooth dyno, nothing crazy. Hopefully VTEC is working, and yeah, we make some good power. Everything comes out good. Got my gas here. I'm gonna pick up this gas, put it in my dad's car. I'm gonna go in my car, and then my dad's gonna follow me in his car just in case anything happens. I got tools. My dad has tools. I got extra oil, extra antifreeze. Yeah, I mean, I think we're ready to go. So yeah, let me show you guys the car, and let's hit the road. I stopped at the gas station real quick. I'm gonna put like $10-15 because literally just gonna put gas to drive there, do a couple pulls, and I gotta take it out anyway. So it's already almost half a tank. So I'll probably put a little bit over half, and then we should be straight with that. And I think I OD'd. I think I put a little too much gas. Fuck. I mean, whatever. We'll see. But I think I put a little bit too much. Now it's over half. So we'll see. So we just got here to the dyno right now. I'm not sure if Yo Solo is here. I know Paul, the owner's here. I'm just parked up the block, like in the corner. They're taking out all the cars from the shop. So I'm just sitting here waiting. I still got to do a couple stuff. Anyways, I have to change the spark plug, which I have here. Got to gap them. Put my O2 sensor on. And yeah, that's about it. Letting the car cool off right now. Last time it was a stock D16. Yeah, it's still a D16, but different motor, but everything's on. Piston rods, you get wrist pins, CSS, brand new sweetener. Only issue that I'm afraid of today, the guy that did my basement said my VTEC, he thinks my VTEC will be working. Alright, so I got the car here. Letting it cool off real quick and take out the plugs. We're good to go. Try it again. Alright, Paul's going over the car now, is checking. We're trying to find the dead zone on the injectors right now, because they're kind of big, but Paul's looking over everything, making sure everything's idling right. I might have bring a paper for the injectors. So yeah, we're gonna have to figure that out. But yeah, so far so good. Alright, so Paul checked everything. The VTEC is actually working on the car, so I'm excited as fuck. And yeah, we're ready to go. He's gonna put it on, I'm gonna strap it up, I'm gonna do the injectors, and we're gonna do the spark plugs, gap them, and everything else. But he showed me that VTEC is actually working. He turned the VTEC off, and then he said if the map changes, then that means VTEC is working, which it is, so ready to go. Shit was shooting a little bit of flames already, so I'm excited. So this is Paul, he's the owner of the shop. He was here when I tuned this car when this shit was completely stock. So now he's about to gap the plugs to 16. We did 18 before, so they're doing 16s now. We got the wideband sensor here. Gonna get the car ready and wait for your solo to come.
Did nothing, he came in, oh, gap my plugs, right? So like I'm doing now. Gapping the plugs, I told yo, my man, these are fake. It's like, well, I'm not trying to sell you spark plugs.
Nah, you ain't trying to look out.
I said, my man, I'm not trying to sell you, I'll gap these, I'll put them in the car. Guess what happened the next day?
Damn, I don't know, he was probably so tight, like I should have listened.
Then he sends me an email. Oh, it's very unprofessional. You know, a professional guy tells me they're fake plugs and he still installs them on my car.
Yeah, but you just told him like fucking
like I was trying to sell you a spark plug.
Yo, I actually got that from you guys because I seen you guys talking about buying them off like Amazon and shit.
You mad at me, but you're not mad at who sold them. But you're mad at me.
Yeah, that would have been, nah.
You know what I'm saying? For installing them. It's like, come on, dude.
Yeah, those plugs.
A three-page email. Like it was my fault.
Was it a stock motor or a build motor?
Build motor.
Oh man, I would have fucking. Oh man, I would have been devastated.
Yo, but he came at me like I was trying to so bad. Now, like when we get it, even the box has a stamp on it. They
Guys,
put a little
do
stamp.
not buy fake spark plugs. You hear these stories. Make sure you buy some real ones. Yeah, anything from like Amazon or eBay, like spark plugs, or some bullshit. Yeah, just buy them AutoZone. Or you just gotta, I guess, be careful. Yeah. Great power, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let you go.
Put in timing and got spark plugs.
VTEC is working right now. Just making sure. That's what it's making. VTEC is not working and it's making that much. He said, well, VTEC is gonna go crazy. But it ain't doing nothing right now, so we gotta figure it out. No, VTEC is not working. It made literally 300 with no VTEC, so this car is gonna be a problem. All right, guys, so the car is gonna stay here. VTEC isn't working on the car right now. It's working on everything else, solenoid, everything. So could possibly be something so small, something so stupid with like a pin missing or a rocker being backwards, something small that you know, it happens. So rather than me take the car all the way back to Brooklyn and then, you know, try to fix it on my day off, because, you know, me and Spanky was gonna do it. I was just gonna take it to my backyard and just do it there, but, you know, waiting to get out of work, which it gets dark at nighttime, and then I'd rather just leave it here. Paul said he'll take care of me. He's gonna, you know, take off the cams and everything, make sure everything is good. If anything needs to be fixed, he got me on that. I already gave him money to leave the car here and fix it, and then they'll fix it, and then we'll just end up coming back. We'll end up coming back and just doing a dyno or whatever. They said the car sounds great. It's definitely got to be something small, like under the cams or whatever. Car made literally 300. No VTEC at all. Only on 9 pounds. That's what I made before with my old stock B16 with VTEC and like a 10 pounds. So it should make 300 on 9 pounds. Not even trying. So literally the cams are just carrying it. So he said they won't even be surprised if this shit will make like almost 500 on 93. And I'm going to ethanol, so we'll see. But yeah, so I'm gonna catch this other guy. He's doing the dyno pool and stuff like that, and then we'll end up heading home.